Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I will be showing you how you can delete your Goodreads account on your device. Before we get started, make sure that you're logged in and also make sure to check your internet connection. Now let us get started. Now first of all, open up your Goodreads application. As you open your application, the interface kind of look like this. Now on this following page, right at the bottom in the lower right corner, there is try a bar icon or a more option. Tap on it. As soon as you tap on it, there is a pop-up. So from here, right at the bottom, you can see settings icon. Tap on it. Once you tap on settings, on the other page, you will land inside settings and support. Right on top, there is settings. So then tap on it. As you tap on it, on the other page, you have multiple options under settings. So from there, you'll have to tap on account. As you tap on account, on the other page, you have all your information. Right at the bottom, you can see delete my account. So then tap on it. As you tap on delete my account, on the other page there is an update saying that your account will be permanently deleted and you'll not be able to restore again. As you tap on it, once again there is a confirmation saying that this will be permanently deleted. So in case if you have made up your mind, so once again tap on yes, delete my account. Right over here you can see that I'm logged out, which means that my account has been deleted, and that is how you can delete your Goodreads account on your device. Now that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.